Now, for the second part of question A, they're saying, hence or otherwise, sketch y equals to f of x, showing the x-intercept. So here, we would have to graph this from the calculator. Now, why they say hence or otherwise? Because you can either write into the calculator itself doesn't have cotangent, by the way. So that means you can either write 4 times 1 over tangent plus sine of x, or you can plug in the function that we already found in part A1. So you're going to get the same thing anyways. So let me just actually clear all of the things that I already have here. And let's say we just plug in the function that we already found, right? So it's going to be 4 times cosine of x divided by sine of x. And I'm going to close the parentheses. And then plus sine of x. Sorry, I dropped my pen. And let's graph this, right? So zoom, yeah. Now I am actually going to go back a little bit because we do have to fix the window. Why? Because we're given the fact that x is between 0 and pi. So that means the graph is going to be between 0 and pi. So x minimum, let's just say I set the x minimum at, let's say -1, right? Just so that we have a little bit of room. And then for the x max, they're saying it's pi. So yeah, so let's just say I'm going to plug in pi, right? It doesn't matter. Then for the y minimum and y maximum, to be honest, it doesn't matter. Most of the time, I usually just at least keep it at 10 and 10, just to have nicer numbers. And then there's also scales, but that does not matter. And we can now graph this. Right, so if I just actually move around a little bit, this would be the window, right? And this red line here is exactly what we're searching for. Pi is 3.14, so it's basically somewhere here. Now, an important thing here is that they asked us to show the x-intercept, so that means on your calculator, you also have to go into second trace and then go into zeros. In my case, I have the root function here, and boom, I have an x-root here, or an x-intercept. In 3 significant figures, the x-intercept is at 1.81 and 0. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to sketch the function here. You guys can see how it looks, so you can just try to approximately copy, right? Just approximately copy just like how this looks basically.